Next, please.
Good morning, sir. I heard that your company is in need of a well-trained person and a technical support regarding in computer, especially as an encoder. That is why I want to be one of your personnel. I am John Fernan Pideray, 18 years old, from Bato, Rosario, Batangas. I am a graduate of TESDA accredited course, which is Ladder's Education Program for BSTS, in Lipa City Public College. Based on my course taken, I could perform a task of what an encoder can do. I have a broad knowledge and skill in MS Office, especially Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. I have also a basic knowledge in manipulating troubleshoot because of my actual experience in some computer shops that I handled during our OJT. I know that we have a fast-paced technology. That is why every company needs a well-experienced personnel. I can say that I am one of those persons who gained enough experience because of the training and OJTs that we have passed during college. I also know how to assemble computer, and I am very familiar with some programming language and shortcut keys in computer. I handle different kinds of computer, and because of this, it's not hard for me to run a computer. When it comes to attitude, I can say that I am an industrious person because I accomplish my work ahead of time. Aside from having a wide knowledge in computer, I know that it is very important to be friendly with your clients and how to mingle with different kinds of customers. And most especially, I am an honest person because I believe that this will lead you to success. If you want, sir, I will present you a list of persons whom you can rely about my whole personality. It's my pleasure to be a part of your company, and I will give all the necessary requirements soon. Thank you for the moment you've given to me, and I'm hoping that soon I'll be part of your company. Thank you, sir.